For me, obviously, look up statistics because that's what certain people want to hear. I would also look up what your competitors are doing and if they're using influencers, or someone who maybe is a lot bigger than you but in the same niche as your company. Try and find what influencers they're using and like any background and results that you think they're getting from it to show evidence of what you're saying. Because it can be hard. I'm sure any young person going into a company, and especially even I went into the dental industry and it's so new to them, like the whole social media, and it's just like really being positive about it but having like figures to back it up and show this is how it's going to work, and already having an idea of this is how we're going to manage it, and having answers to those questions of, okay, what if something goes wrong? How are you going to manage that?
Okay. Did you have much convincing to do in New Knife? I mean, I'd imagine, I'm going to get you in trouble here, but I'd imagine, I suppose the question I'm asking is, surely their willingness to embrace it will depend on the culture of the organisation that you're in, and its propensity to take risks and try something new every now and again. Yeah. And there will be some organisations who just won't entertain the idea. Yeah. When you went in, was there okay, we understand that you get this?
Yeah, I think that was why I was hired. Like I was reached out to from LinkedIn and Instagram for my job. So it was like they knew that, I think maybe they were looking around to see what other people were doing, and they knew that they needed someone a wee bit younger in who really understands it. Okay. So it wasn't hard in that sense, but then it's like when you do come in, getting everybody used to the fact of using influencers, there's going to be influencers coming in, this is like the way it's going to run, especially because we're really busy as it is. So people who are really have never seen that world before, they don't understand it. But now that I'm like 7 months in, it's like everyone's seeing the benefit of it, and the dentists know the benefit of it.
Is it about trying to find a few early sort of quick wins that give any doubters the sort of sign that, okay, there might be something here? Yeah, just trying to really sell it and showing that like that influencer came in and our engagement like shot up. Everyone was on the stories wanting to see, people are interested and people are nosy, they want to see their lives. Wow, she's going in, what's she going to get done? So, and it's just about selling it to the company and being excited about it. And then again, it does depend on the company, just they'll let you run with it, maybe a wee trial and error.